Welcome back on my YouTube channel. My name is Petty Moves, and in this video I will show you the complete basic C-work tutorial for 2026. All the moves that you need to know. We start with the first step. The first step will be the V-step. The basic V-step starts with a closed V-step. We start pointing our toes to the center of the cross. That's our focus starting point. From here, we will shift our weight on our heels, lift our toes up and twist them to the outside, like this. 1. That's actually the first open the V-step. We start with a closed V-step and we open it. And from here, we make it reverse and we close them. So we have the closed V-step. Doesn't make sense? We lift the toes, twist to the outside. Now we twist the toes, again, shift the weight on our heels. So lean a little bit back and twist the toes to the inside. That's the closed V-step. Again, we have the open V-step and the closed V-step. Now we'll show you from the back. We will start with our toes pointing into the middle of the cross. We will lift our toes and twist them to the outside. You got it? So we shift our weight to the heels, lift the toes and bring them to the twist them to the outside. Now in reverse, we lift the toes again, shift the weight on the heels and twist the toes to the inside. So we have the open V-step and the closed V-step. Right now from the side, so we have a better impression of how it looks. Closed V-step, we start like this. Shift the weight on the heel, lift the toes and twist them to the outside. Now, bring them up again and twist them to the inside. Slower, 1 and 2. While I do this, you see my knees. I bend my knee to give me a bounce, to make it look a little bit better, smoother, but it will make the move, of course, easier. The second move is the V-step plus tapping. Closed V-step. The left foot will shift the weight on the toes and twist the heels to the inside, like this. Boom. At the same time, with the right foot, we will tap with the foot in the back on the toes, like this. Okay? Left foot inside heel twist, right foot back step on toes. Right now, left foot makes the closed V-step, like we shift the weight on our heel, lift them left toes and point them to the inside toe twist. At the same time, we point the right foot to the front. Easy. The weight is here on the heel. It will still look like a closed V-step, closed V-form. Next step, we will shift again the heels to the inside, heel side in twist, and right foot again on the toes. 3. Right now the last step is to come again into the closed V-step formation. 4. And now you have done the V-step plus tapping. You mastered it actually. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy money. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, pay attention on my knees. I bounce with it 2 times. Try it. But first, try to do it this like that you can do it like almost perfectly without hesitation. And then when you master it, I will show it from the back side. You can bounce with it a little bit. So we start again, straight. 1, 2, 3, 4. I explain it again. Closed V-step. First step is heel inside twist. Right foot makes a back step. Heel inside twist. Right foot makes a back step. Second, our left toes will shift to the inside heel twist, right foot on toes. 2. From here, again, left inside heel twist, right back step on toes. And the 4th step is just the closed V-step. Again, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Faster. From the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little trick. Imagine closed V-step, open V-step. My right foot points to the right, left foot to the left. Diagonal direction. Open V-step. Right now, closing with the inside. Closed V-step. They're pointing to the opposite direction. Right now I open them again. Open V-step. And at the end, a closed V-step, but just in the same position, you know. I hope you liked so far. Would be nice if you would follow this account, subscribe it, maybe show a like or hype this video to support this channel. The next move will be the T-step. The T-step looks like this. It's actually a combination of a V-step formation, but in like a more tighter formation. But I will show you, just wait. We start with the closed V-step. And now we twist the left foot also with a heel inside twist to this same direction. But at the same time, we bring the right foot close to our left heel and it will be close to our right toes. Right now we will go back into the V-step, closed V-step, of course, and go to our other direction. And from here, because to the right side, we will just take our right foot, make the inside heel step, and with the left foot we make a back step. Not this time on the toes, like in the lesson before. No, we will make it flat on the ground. Okay? Just practice it a couple of times. From the back perspective, closed V-step, we start here, left foot, heel inside step, or heel inside twist, and the right foot will make a back step. Flat on the ground. Not on the heels, not on the toes, on the ground. From here, we come back to the closed V-step. Right now, right foot, heels up, inside twist, left foot, step back. Again, closed V-step, left side back T-step, closed V-step, right side T-step. Try it again a couple of times till you feel more comfortable with it. From the side, closed V-step, left side T-step, closed V-step, right side T-step, closed V-step, left side T-step, closed V-step, right side T-step. I think you get it. The next move will be the heel toe twist. Left foot, we start heel on the middle of the cross, on the heels, toes up, right foot, toes, point to the middle of the ground, point to the middle of the cross, heels up. Now we twist. Left toes goes to the left direction, right heels go to the right direction. Like this. Okay? Again, slower. Use your arms and pretend to grab something to give your upper body and your legs the possibility with a little bounce to go to the left side, okay? To twist. If you try this a couple of times, you just hop and switch the position of the feet at the same time. Like this. Easy money. Right toes up, left heels up. And now we pretend to grab something from the right side, to turn or to twist the right toes to the right and the left heel to the left. Like this. Okay? Again. More easy. So I will show you the complete. I will show it you complete in the normal speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another trick that right now I will show it from the back. Left foot to the front, diagonal direction. Right foot in the back, diagonal direction. Now we twist. Switch and hop, hop. Let's go. Now we twist to the left side. Now we twist to this side. Switch position of the feet with a hop and twist to the other side. Repeat it and practice it at home. Again, slower. 1, 2. Another quick trick that I can give you on your way, on your training, you can also just use a step to the right. Don't twist the back foot on the same position. Make a little step. Okay? It's more easier. Make a little step and just twist on the left heel. Okay? Here. And you see my leg in the foot in the back, making just a step, not a twist. Then from here, where you start, boom, you can just switch the position of your feet and make it to the other side. And also with a step, not with a twist. Then repeat it till you find your flow. Again, from the back perspective, left foot in the front, right in the back. We twist the left foot to the left side, and with the right foot, we make just a step to the other side. Right now, we switch the position of the feet. Right foot, twist on the heels to the right side. Left foot makes a step to the other side. Switch position, repeat it. So I think you got this move, and we will go to the next one. The next move that you should learn is the inverted V-step. The inverted V-step starts with a closed V-step. Right now we go with the open V-step, closed V-step, open V-step, straight to the other direction, inside, again, and we're in the closed V-step again. We'll show it again. Closed V-step. 1 open, 2 closed, 3 open, 4 come back, 5 open V-step, 6 closed V-step. Now bounce with it, lean with it, rock with it. And again, the inverted or reversed V-step. Closed V-step. We open the V-step, we shift, we lift our toes, shift on the heels with the weight and twist them to the outside. Right now we do it on the other way. Shift our weight on the toes, lift our heels and step to the outside. Right now the third step, again, lift the toes and twist them to the outside. Now lift the toes and twist them to the inside. Now lift the heels and twist them to the inside. Now lift the toes and twist them to the inside. Now rock with it, bounce with it. Now from the back perspective, closed V-step. 1 open, 2 closed, 3 open, 4 closed, 5 open, 6 closed, bounce with it, bounce with it. Again, open, closed, open, closed, open, closed, bounce with it, lean with it, rock with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can also integrate right now at the end the T-step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 T-step, 8. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. T-step to the left side and V-step. From the back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slower, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And right now, let's come to the next move. The next move is the Gangster 2-step or Gangster hop. The Gangster 2-step looks like this. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We start with the open hop, diagonal direction, right foot on the heel, left foot on slightly on toes. 1. Now we come back. 2. Right foot on flat on ground, left foot on still on toes. Then we open again, but not that wide as the first time, but Again, like the same position, right foot on heels, left foot on toes in the back, diagonal direction to the right. And now we hop on the right foot to kick out the left foot to the left side to go on the open step we used at the beginning. 1, left foot on heel, right foot on toes, come back, left foot flat on ground, right foot on toes, open again, left foot on toes, right foot flat slightly on the toes, flat on ground, side on the toes. Right now step on the left foot, right foot use the swing from the back to open into the right direction, and we make it like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. From the back, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. This was my C-Walk basic tutorial for 2026. All the moves that you need to master the C-Walk, or not better, just footwork moves. Simple, easy footwork combination that you can use and integrate into your own dance style. So be blessed, not stressed, peace for the world, and just love your petty moves. See you in the next video. Peace.